Are you looking for extra income? No matter what time of the day and where you are? Wishing to have more opportunities to earn? Look no further, because that's where online trading comes in. No matter what your current work or education is right now, you can earn with this lifelong skill that can help you earn. This is why online trading is the skill of the future. Trading has been present globally and locally ever since. Most people get intimidated to learn and join the global financial market because they believe trading is for the rich. Technological advancements paved the way for more people to have easy access to trading. The remarkable growth of traders increased due to the accessibility and convenience brought by online trading. Those who are interested in online trading can do it at home with their laptops or smartphones. But how can a trader be profitable? Start with a good investment. Invest in your knowledge. Because your knowledge and experience is money. What are you waiting for? Start your online trading journey with us and be future ready. Learn trading the smart way. Do it with SmarTrade. Want to learn more about online trading? Check our website for more free learning videos.